how to quintuple your monthly income. I'm going to show you how to do 5 times the amount of income you do per month without increasing your costs or needing more capital. Exponential increases in the number and value of deals you do can come from marginal increases in many areas of your business. What this means is get just a little bit better at a lot of things and your business will grow dramatically. Here's how it works. Let's say you get 25% better at finding deals. If you're using an automated system like the pushbuttonautomarketer.com, you're probably bringing in, on average, 20 leads per month per city that you work, depending on the size of the city. On average, 20% of those leads are gettable. That means a competent investor can bring in 4 potential deals with this number of leads per month. If you expand your area and get just 25% more leads per month, you'll get 25 leads. That'll increase your monthly deals by 1 per month. If you're currently making an average of $10,000 per deal, increasing your leads by 25% raises your income from $40,000 per month to $50,000 per month. And you did this simply by expanding the area that you marketed to. Another way you can increase your business dramatically is by getting better at closing deals. What if you closed 25% more of the sellers you talk to? That means you could do an extra deal each month, so 5 deals per month instead of 4 deals per month. Just improving in these 2 things alone increases your income from $40,000 per month to $60,000 per month. Now, what if you increase the amount that you made per deal from $10,000 per deal to $12,500 per deal? Just 25% better. If you do 5 deals a month, that would add an extra $12,500. That's $2,500 times 5 to your income. Now, that puts you at $72,500 per month. Next, what if you started keeping some of the deals you've been flipping? Let's say you keep 25% of the deals you do for your portfolio. When you put a property in your portfolio, you make money not only from the cash that comes from purchasing the property and selling it on a lease option, you also build equity. Typically, you make 4 times the amount of profit from equity on a portfolio purchase that you would on a flip transaction. So instead of making $10,000 per deal, you would make $40,000 per deal. This video is already getting too long, so I won't go into all the details about how to 4 times your profit per deal by keeping each of your properties, but I promise you it works. So in this scenario, you've added another $40,000 per month to your income, and that raises your income well over $100,000 per month. There are other places to increase your income, like improving your automation, getting better at negotiation, using different structures to finance your properties, finding investors to work with you, and on and on. Also, as you start making enough money to live on, you're going to want to keep more and more of your properties, and that'll 4 times your income overall. The reason I'm breaking it down like this is because I want you to see how tiny changes in your business can have a dramatic and exponential return to your bottom line. If you'd like my help implementing these techniques into your business, you should consider getting into my mentor program. If you'd like me to take you by the hand personally and lead you along the path and through the minefield, you should consider getting into my mentor program. If you want to work with me personally, not a hired hand, you can find out all about my 6-month mentor program by going to zerodowninvesting.com. This website will show you how my program works, what's included, what it costs, what you can expect from me, and what I expect from you if you sign up. There are 3 training videos on the site that go into great detail about what you need to do to build a profitable real estate investing business. They add up to about 2 hours of free education. I call them my advanced training program because that's exactly what they are. In fact, if you know nothing about real estate, they may be a bit over your head. The techniques I teach in these videos come from my personal experience, and you won't find them anywhere else. If you aren't interested in working with me personally, or you can't afford my mentor program, these 3 videos will still be worth your while. They'll give you an entire overview of my entire business and show you how to model your business after the step-by-step systems I've created. Even if you ultimately decide not to join my mentor program, I can safely say this advanced training program can completely transform your thinking about building a real estate investing business. I think these videos are the best training programs I've ever created, and they don't cost you a dime. They distill my 35 years as an investor and 20 plus years as a coach and give you a complete outline of how we build a powerful, profitable, consistent, reliable, ethical, peaceful business. They give you the milestones, benchmarks, and standard operating procedures you need to succeed. That's it for today. Good deals are not that hard to find if you have the skill to craft an offer that makes sense. I hope you'll join me. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button below. You can also go to joecrumpblog.com and sign up for my free email newsletter. I put a lot of free information there that you can't find anywhere else. All right. I hope that helps. Good luck to you.